Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a round corner in Illustrator. First, open the Illustrator, then create a document. Then go to the select rectangle tool from the toolbar and create a shape. Apply fill color and hide stoke. Then go to the view menu and click on the show corner widget. Here we see round icon and simply drag this. We see round corner around the shape. If you want to only one corner round, then select direct selection tool and select any one corner and drag this. Now we make a round corner. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphic solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.